Guys, if you're feeling that your Android mobile working very slow, then you can fix this problem by enabling one setting on your Android mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So guys, to make your Android mobile little bit faster, then just go to your mobile settings. Now click on About or About Device option. Now here you will see various options. Guys, if you are using other smartphones, then you will see build version or build number here. So just tap on it 7 times. In this case, it's MIUI version. So just tap on it 7 times. Here you can see it's showing you are now a developer. Now just go one step back. Guys, if you are using other devices, then down here you will find developer option. If you not see here, then you can simply search developer option or the developer mode from this search bar. Now in this case it's in additional settings, so just open it. Now down here you will find developer option, so just click on it. Now scroll down and look for Windows animation scale. Now turn off these 3 animation scales. As you can see, whenever I click something, it's not taking that much time here. So guys, this is how you can make your smartphone little bit faster by using this setting. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.